Hello. So this is kind of a mystery haul, and it's kind of strange, and it's strange for a couple of reasons. So this is the box here. This came to my post office box, so that's the address in case you don't want to look in the description to pull it up, because it's in the description as well. And it came from Dynamite Discs Tour, and Dynamic Discs. Is it also Dynamic there? No, it looks like it's actually Dynamite. Anyway, Dynamic Discs. So I believe this is a company that sells disc golf discs, which makes sense. I play disc golf, as some of you may or may not know. It's been a while since I've actively played. But the funny part is about this is this box sounds like Lego. So it's strange to me that it sounds like it's coming from a disc golf place. It's coming from a disc golf type box. I do play disc golf, but it sounds like Lego in there. So it's some kind of strange intersection of things. So we're going to open this up and see what we have inside here, because it just doesn't make a lot of sense to me. And another tracking disc. Aha! Okay, so this is a bunch of Minecraft poly bags and some city poly bags that I bought from somebody on Discord. And actually there's a friend's one down there as well. But I just find it ironic of where it's coming from. So I may have to reach out to them and find out, hey, what's the deal? Because it's kind of funny that that happened. Anyway, so just some poly bags and such. If you've got any questions or comments, let me know. Thank you.